However, current global circumstances suggest it's likely that this virus will cause a pandemic. In that case, risk assessment would be different, and new strategies tailored to local circumstances would need to be implemented to blunt the impact of the disease and further slow the spread of the virus. What these interventions would look like at the community level will vary depending on local conditions.
To a new low. Videos are now being posted to social media featuring shoppers getting into physical altercations over toilet rolls.
Pandemic.
Usher Raymond, Thugger, go, make it say, no limit. Got that masterpiece, no limit, baby. Get that black car, no limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. Make it say, no limit. I see murder that, no limit, baby. Get that ghetto D, girl, no limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. You know you fine, baby, you know that you fine. I'm just tryna make you mine, tryna make you mine. Yeah, I'm tryna make you mine. Put a tingle in your spine. We got a vibe, we got a way, you should ride on it. All of the places I could take you, girl, is limitless. So if you never been, girl, I would just love to take you there. You don't have to worry about a thing. I gotta let me show you better than. Cause I may not know you, just let me hold you. You be my soldier, like you from the north. Make it say, no limit. Got that masterpiece, no limit, baby. get that black car, no limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. Make it say, no limit. I see murder that, no limit, baby. Get that ghetto D, girl, no limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. Cost on decline, baby, the cost on decline. You roll with me and we shine, baby, we shine. Yeah, little mama, we shine. Just pick a destination. Go ahead, show me you can get like everything. Show me like any car, any house, baby, you can get like any ring, anything. Then I can knock it down, all through the night, all through the day, yeah. I knock that pussy out, baby, you call the Sugar Ray, yeah. Cause I may not know you, just let me hold you. You be my soldier, like you from the north. Make it say, no limit. Got that masterpiece, no limit, baby. Can get that black car, no limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. Make it say, no limit. I see murder that, no limit, baby. Get that ghetto D, girl, no limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. You found out that wine, baby girl, I ain't lying. Made my homie drop a dime, commit a crime, jeopardize my lifeline. Just to see your vital sign. Ain't no limit, babe, we do it live. Ain't no limit, babe, when you a star. Martyr outsmart the robbery. Build a session with Bacardi Barbies. Kerosene, kerosene, kerosene. I'ma spin while machine. What you watch? Spin ways to prima donna. Never limit, I'm a stunner. Tinted out them never runners. Fuck them boys, they all beginners. Follow scene and rate them. I'ma spend my night with them. I can put carrots all over you. Carrots all over you. Never mind me on the pop shit, man. I been getting high with these fools. And she said all her friends fake, so she solo rockin'. And she a real bad bitch. She ain't gotta Photoshop it. No limit. I see murder that, no limit, baby. Get that ghetto D, girl, no limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby.
My daddy said trust no man but your brothers, and never leave your day ones in the gutter. My daddy said treat young girls like your mother. My mama said trust no hoe, use a rubber. I'ma act 1, 2, stop the track, bring it back. What it do? See, Ricky said never let nobody get the one up on you. If they run up on you, hit them with a 1, 2 or a bitch slap. Leave the cul-de-sac, your brothers gon' have your back regardless. And stick with your day one homies that was here before you started. And fear no man but the man above your head. Pray before you go to bed, everything my mama said.
First they mocking, now they hopping. All on the way cause they see me popping. Big, large pockets, they start flocking. Here's what I say when they ass keep knocking.
My daddy said trust no man but your brothers, and never leave your day ones in the gutter. My daddy said treat young girls like your mother. My mama said trust no hoe, use a rubber. My daddy said trust no man but your brothers, and never leave your day ones in the gutter. My daddy said treat young girls like your mother. My mama said trust no hoe, use a rubber. Hey, your mama ain't shit, your daddy ain't shit, and I've been making waves way before nostalgic. That was back in Carol City, yeah, when I was just a chick. With the all black faded dicky with the Raider fit, that was it, we was lit. Y'all wasn't even shit yet. We was 3-6, Wu-Tang mixed with Dipset. Ricky used to take me to my first shows ever, where only drop jewels way before they drop cheddar.
First they mocking, now they hopping. All on the way cause they see me popping. Big, large pockets, they start flocking. Here's what I say when they ass keep knocking.
My daddy said trust no man but your brothers, and never